Today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test page on an Epson XP-900. Now this is nice and simple, can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the screen and the buttons seen here. Now the first thing we need to do is get ourselves into the maintenance menu, which we do by pressing this right hand arrow until we get along to maintenance. So we press OK to go into there, and nozzle check is the very first option. So we press OK to go in. Now, assuming you already have paper in there, you can just press the start button to print. Now this will take your printer just a minute. Now, after a few seconds, your printer will spit out a page that looks something like this. And what it's done is printed with all the different colours it uses: black, cyan, yellow, magenta, photo black, to both show its ability to print in those colours, and also the diagonal thin lines is to show where there would be potential issues with fine detail, which would leave like stripes across your print as well. So from here, your printer will be asking you whether you've got an OK print, like the one we've got, or a NG, which is presumably not good. So if you've got something similar to what's on the right, press down, and you get the ability to start doing head cleaning cycles, which will push fresh ink into your printer's print head, hopefully dislodging any dried ink that could be causing those issues and improving the quality of your prints. So I'd certainly recommend going down that route. You can just go in circles doing test pages and cleaning until you hopefully see an improvement. But that's about all there is to see here. If you found what you're looking for here, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.